Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Razr 70, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So, first thing that we will need to do is turn off our device by swiping down from the top of our screen twice, and then clicking on the power button right here at the bottom and choosing power off. Now I will also be popping out my SIM card, as I do have one, and the reason for that is later on it would just prompt me to put my SIM card pin in, and I just don't feel like doing that. Anyway, once the device is off, you will want to hold your power button, and I believe it's going to be volume, I think it's down. Let's try that. Power, volume down. Let go of the power button once you see the logo, and there we go. It quickly takes us to the fastboot or bootloader, depending on how you want to consider this. And in here, we can let go of these two buttons, and then using volume buttons to navigate, you want to have recovery mode visible right here, like it is right now. Recovery mode, click on the power button to confirm it. Before it takes us to the recovery mode, first we will see Android with no command, and to get past this, you will be holding power button, you'll be holding volume up, right? Let's see, power, volume up. Oh yeah, so you hold power button and press volume up. And in here, again, just like before, you use volume buttons to navigate up and down, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Going over the options that we have access to, we have Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android. Reboots to bootloader, which will take us back to the previous menu that we've seen. It was labeled as fastboot mode in there, but if you were to reboot to bootloader, it's also going to take you there. We also have Enter Fastboot Mode, Apply Updates from ADB or SD card, Wipe Data, Mount System, View Logs, Run Tests, and Power Off. Now that's all the options that we have right here, so I'm going to go to the first one, confirm it, and like I mentioned before, this will bring me back to Android. And you can see we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.